This is Stephanie speaking. How can I help you? I would love to list your home. Oh yeah, I can definitely be there right away. Yeah, I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Here I am. This is another beautiful Fairport listing I have, and this one's so nice, it shows itself. Here we are in the beautiful kitchen. I love the cabinetry, cute little island, and you'll see stainless steel appliances, the microwave, and this is the double oven. I love that feature, a fridge, and a dishwasher. This room is so cozy. The crown molding is so nice. I love that fireplace behind me. It's just a perfect place to gather with your family. Check out these skylights in the family room, and let's go upstairs. This is the primary suite. You have tall ceilings, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom.